Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the refreshed Tesla Model Y here in the United States, and there are some big changes. Up front there's a new bonnet, redesigned wings, and sleek reimagined headlights. The slim LED strips and integrated DRLs give it a futuristic Cybertruck-inspired look. A more aggressive bumper and larger air breathers enhance the stance. Plus, Tesla has added a front-facing camera on the bumper, just like the Cybertruck. Looking at the sides, the changes are subtle but refined. The refreshed Model Y gets new alloy wheel designs, 19-inch aero wheels as standard, with an option for 20-inch versions. Tesla has also removed the small mud flaps, giving it a cleaner, more streamlined look. The side camera remains on the fender, enhancing visibility, and of course the flush-mounted door handles, a signature Tesla feature, blend seamlessly into the bodywork. Stepping inside, the refreshed Model Y immediately feels more premium. The Launch Edition branding is illuminated through the ambient lighting, with a stunning blue light strip running across the cabin for a more sophisticated appeal. The steering wheel retains the indicator stalk unlike the latest Model 3. At the center you have a 15.4-inch touchscreen display offering seamless control over the vehicle. Below there are two wireless phone chargers, an automatic storage compartment, and redesigned premium cup holders, all finished with high-end materials. The new Model Y comes packed with key features that elevate both convenience and comfort. Both the front and rear touchscreens allow you to control climate and entertainment settings with ease. The interior comes in Tesla's signature premium white finish, enhancing the luxury feel. Looking up, the sunshade now integrates built-in mirrors with LED lighting, and you'll also find the hazard button conveniently positioned above. With refined materials and advanced features, the reimagined Model Y interior elevates the driving experience, setting a new standard for what a car's cabin should feel like. For enhanced safety, the Model Y is equipped with front-facing cameras, offering improved visibility for autopilot and smart summon. Now, focusing on rear passenger comfort, the Model Y offers a premium experience. The white interior is complemented by ambient lighting that runs throughout the cabin, creating a modern and inviting atmosphere. At 5 feet 10 inches, I have plenty of legroom, making long journeys comfortable. Rear passengers also get an 8-inch touchscreen, allowing them to control climate settings and access various entertainment options, enhancing the overall ride experience. With thoughtful design and advanced features, Tesla ensures that every seat in the Model Y feels first class. You also get heated and ventilated seats, power recline, and soft-touch textiles for a luxurious and comfortable experience. At the rear, the updated Model Y features redesigned taillights that project mood lighting onto the Tesla badge. The refreshed rear diffuser and spoiler enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics, contributing to improved efficiency. As a result, the longest-range all-wheel drive variant now achieves an estimated 353 miles on a full charge. You'll also find the exclusive Launch Edition badging, along with the dual-motor emblem, signifying its all-wheel drive capability. The charging port remains conveniently positioned on the left side, ensuring easy access while maintaining a clean design. Now, looking at cargo space, Tesla provides an impressive 76 cubic feet, approximately 2,152 liters, of storage capacity. A new key feature is the electronically controlled rear passenger seat folding, adding convenience for loading larger items. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you in the next one.